Framas has been creating pioneering products for more than 70 years and is characterized by advanced technologies and a wide range of products. The company specializes in the custom development and manufacture of high-performance plastic components for the sports equipment industry. Products by Framas can be found in sports shoes as well as in medical and safety shoes. Since 2018, Framas has been using the manufacturing execution system HYDRA to take production to new heights, which means on a digital level.
Unsere Entscheidung fiel aufgrund der intelligenten Produktionsplanung und der durchgängigen Rückverfolgbarkeit von Produkten und Materialien. Des Weiteren wollten wir eine komplett digitalisierte Wertschöpfungskette erreichen.
Vor allem die Internationalität von MPDV und die modulare Aufstellung des Systems waren für uns ausschlaggebend für die Zusammenarbeit. Nach einem Kickoff mit MPDV haben wir gemeinsam ein Konzept erarbeitet und die verschiedenen Phasen definiert.
The basic modules, shop floor data, machine data, and shop floor scheduling have been implemented and are operationally deployed in Germany and Vietnam. The expansion of HYDRA to Framas' other Asian facilities is expected to be completed by 2023. Thanks to the introduction of HYDRA shortly before the pandemic, it was possible to plan production digitally during the lockdown in Vietnam. HYDRA has been firmly established at Framas, and the deployment of further modules is currently in the planning stage.